If your type 4 hair is dry, brittle, or breaking, this simple DIY oil treatment might be the game changer you need.
Hello Afro-Queens, Happy New Year! I truly hope 2026 brings you growth, joy, and flourishing natural hair. I want to say a heartfelt thank you for your patience. I know it's been a while since I posted. Due to some unexpected challenges like power outages and health challenge, I had to take a short break. But I'm back now with some really exciting DIYs lined up for you, starting with today's video. Let's dive in. In today's video, I'm showing you how I made a nutrient-rich herbal hair oil. It's a simple but powerful combo that helped me reduce breakage, soften my strands, and restore shine to my natural hair. Stay tuned to see how you can use this blend to nourish your scalp, strengthen your hair, and prep it for gentle cleansing with minimal breakage.
The first ingredient for this DIY oil is avocado seeds. Avocado seeds are a good source of phytosterols. These are fat-soluble substances that help to repair a dry, flaky scalp or reduce scalp inflammation and keep hair follicles healthy. The second ingredient is onions, mainly for their sulfur compounds. Sulfur is a key building block for keratin. Sulfur compounds help strengthen hair fibers and nourish hair follicles. Onions, especially red ones, are one of the richest sources of quercetin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help with clogged follicles. The third ingredient is clove, which we will talk about in a while. Our carrier oil here is palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil is loaded with lauric acid, a saturated fatty acid which easily penetrates the hair shaft, helping reduce protein loss and breakage during wash days. Lauric acid is naturally antimicrobial, which works perfectly with cloves and onions to keep the scalp free of dandruff-causing fungi. Palm kernel oil also contains palmitic and oleic acid, which facilitate moisture retention by creating a protective barrier on the hair surface. I use clove because of a powerhouse molecule called eugenol. It's not just what gives cloves that spicy smell, it's a massive antioxidant that protects the scalp and hair from free radicals damage. It also acts like a wake-up call for hair follicles by increasing blood flow to the scalp, promoting a healthy hair growth. Eugenol also has antimicrobial properties, making it excellent for those struggling with dandruff or scalp infections. It's also important to note that most of these ingredients, that is avocado seeds, cloves, and palm kernel oil, also contain fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin K and E. Vitamin K is linked to scalp health, while vitamin E is a deep-acting antioxidant that protects hair from environmental stress.
This oil has helped me reduce breakage, soften my strands, and prep my hair for a more effective wash day. And I'm not stopping here. In my next video, I'll show you how I use freshly extracted Nkui mucilage right after this Prepoo treatment. You don't want to miss that.